Ew! Still frozen. Such a frog. Oh, it's a frog.
Yeah, I don't know how to do this. Maybe just right down the middle. I don't know. Sure, that's all right.
Yeah, just like fish.
Looks like chicken wing.
It's a little. It's a good meat. Look at them.
Eat this right there. Shake. Next one in. Shake.
Oh, okay.
Say that.
I was like, oh
Give
my
it a
god.
second, it's too hot.
I was like, we're gonna get.
Oh my god, that's delicious. I don't trust myself.
It's actually really good. Oh, spicy.
And